taking 10,000 steps a day, but have you thought about it? Are you doing them well? Perhaps you are injuring yourself. Watch this tutorial. Let's fix it. Okay, so what I want you to do is to look down at your feet and see if this is how you are standing, with your weight on the insides of your feet. So what happens then is when you bend your knees are out of alignment, and this can cause terrible injuries to your knees, ankles, and hips, all right? So what I want you to do is to put your weight on the outsides of the feet. So think big toe, baby toe, heel. My weight's on the outsides of my feet. So now when I bend my knees are traveling directly over my toes, and you can see the difference. Okay, now let's look at where you put your weight. So most of us stand with our weight on our balls of our feet, and so we're putting a lot of pressure on the knees. Can you see? So what I want you to think of is putting your weight in the middle to the back of the foot, so that when you bend your knees, your weight is evenly distributed and not just over the toes. Okay, so what I want you to do now is to take that information and stand with your feet underneath your hips, hip distance apart. Just know that every step you take will be hip distance. That space between your feet, that's the step, the size of the step that you take. But there's one more added thing that I want you to consider. So now remember, we're going big toe, baby toe, heel. I want you to think of squeezing your coccyx with your glutes. So really, really tight. Squeeze your coccyx with your glutes hard. And then as you step, you're squeezing your glutes as you walk. Okay, there you have it, the truth on how to walk without injury. And this is just a sneak preview of my online program that I have created where I come into your home like this video, and you have access to me where I'm teaching you how to move without injury. And I'm not one of those people that's going to beat you, making you work out till you vomit. No. This is a holistic approach, a safe approach where you'll have many aha moments and realize what you didn't know. And this information that you gain will help you to step out with confidence and strength and feel amazing and get that healthy waistline that you so crave. So if you would like more information, please click the Learn More and let's get you moving.